Hello guys, I'm back again, and in this video I will talk about the best 60% keyboards that are on the market nowadays. It means that these keyboards are mechanical and are smaller in size than the other full-sized keyboards. Having the same function, you may feel a little bit bad, but hey, get ready to find the best 60% one. Check out the links in the description below for more information about each keyboard that I will mention in this video. Let us get started right now. Starting this video with the first product, which is the HyperX Alloy Origins 60, and I listed this one as best overall. The HyperX is a well-known brand when it comes to different products, and right now I will tell you guys more about this 60% keyboard, which is a great keyboard. The dimensions that this keyboard measures are 11.7 to 1.5 to 4.2 inches, and as said, it is a 60% keyboard with a weight of 970 grams. As an appearance, this keyboard looks very beautiful because of its special feature when it comes to its design, and that is the lighting. It includes RGB LED lights per key, so you can adjust the 61 keys that this keyboard includes with different colors based on your preferences. Besides that, the keys are very durable and they can hold up to 80 million presses. The connectivity in this keyboard includes a detachable USB-C cable, which makes this keyboard great and portable. This keyboard is compatible with your PC for normal usage, but it is great for gaming, being able to be connected with different game consoles such as PS4, Xbox Series, PS5, etc. You will have an amazing gaming experience with the 100% anti-ghosting mode. It unfortunately isn't wireless, but still it is a very great keyboard that you can use for office work too. Well, I would gladly say that this keyboard is for people that are great gamers and also for those that work in offices. As it includes lots of features, this keyboard can also be considered as the best feature-packed one because it delivers great usage. Moving on, the second product that I chose for you guys is the Razer Huntsman Mini, which is the best wired one. The Razer company is a great name when it comes to different amazing keyboards, and that is the reason that I chose this one to review for you guys. It is an amazing 60% keyboard. As per this keyboard's design, I can only say that it looks very pretty, with the dimensions of 4.07 to 11.56 to 1.45 and the pound of 498 grams. It has a great build and it is made of aluminum as a whole piece. The keys are very great for writing on them and also for playing games with them. So it may be considered as a 2-in-1 keyboard since it can be used for both. The keyboard includes RGB lighting that is a great feature, making its design even prettier than it already is. With the RGB, you can customize the keys so that your experience with this keyboard will be colorful. The keyboard includes a wired connection and it is a detachable USB-C so that it has a great connection when it comes to, or whatever you use it for. It has great compatibility with your computer, let it be an office computer or the one that you use for gaming. It will still have the same great connectivity and compatibility. This keyboard has optical switches that, as mentioned, use light induction for the switches. This keyboard is made for those people that like a great, sturdy wired connectivity both for gaming and writing on it. In the third place, we have the Pro 2, which is the one that I chose for its best connectivity. The keyboard from Pro is one of the most famous keyboards that is a great purchase, and still it doesn't come on a very high price tag. Plus it has some great features. Let's see what are those. This keyboard comes in two colors, which are the standard black and white, but the white one has already become my favorite. You guys, it measures 11.18 to 3.82 to 1.57 inches and it has 61 keys as per its 60% design. The weight of this keyboard is 650 grams. This keyboard is a mechanical one, so the keys are clicky and also compact. As per its keys, they also include the RGB lighting and you can customize any key. The connectivity on this keyboard is really impressive. It is both wired and wireless, and as a wired it includes a USB-C type of connectivity, and as a wireless one it has a great Bluetooth connection of the version 4.0. With the Bluetooth connection, it is compatible with many devices such as Mac OS, Windows and also Android. So by that, we clearly understand the Pro 2 is a great keyboard when it comes to connectivity issues. As said in the beginning, this keyboard has great connectivity and that makes this keyboard to be one of the greatest keyboards for the people that like double connectivity, one keyboard so that they can use it more easily. As the fourth keyboard, I chose the best wireless keyboard, which is the Redragon K530. The price tag and the connectivity are important issues when it comes to purchasing any device. That's why the Redragon has this featured keyboard that comes on a price tag that is very reasonable and also has great connectivity. The colors that this 60% keyboard comes in are black and white, and it measures 13.23 to 6.1 to 2.2 inches, and it pounds 607 grams. The 61 keys that this keyboard has been great to use, and since it is a mechanical keyboard, the keys are clicky. They are hot swappable, that allows you to change the switches by using a switch puller so that you can choose your favorite manner. The keys also have a side print, which is very clear and also easy to read, so that they are multifunctional and very compact. The connectivity in this keyboard includes as wired a USB-C cable, and as wireless it uses the Bluetooth connection of the 5.0 version, which is a high level of Bluetooth. And by that we clearly understand that it has great compatibility with devices such as laptops, computers, and also tablets that own a Bluetooth connection. The connection is very strong and sturdy at the same time, so I don't think that you may have any problem with the connection part. So basically, as mentioned, this keyboard has the greatest wireless connection, and it is definitely made for those people that don't like wired connectivity when it comes to keyboards that are used for both typing and gaming. Fifth place is totally reserved for the Kraken Pro 60, which one I listed as the one that has the best durability for gaming. Well, this is the last product that I will tell you about, and let me say that is a great keyboard too. Just like the other ones that I already mentioned. Let's see what are the greatest features of this keyboard. Kraken Pro 60 is a 60% keyboard on size, which is a very compact keyboard that includes 60 keys that are fully customizable with the RGB lighting that makes them even more pretty. The dimensions that this keyboard measures are 13.74 to 5.43 to 1.89 inches, and it has a weight of 766 grams. As mentioned, it includes RGB so that you can control the lighting that you prefer on the keys. Since it is a mechanical keyboard, the keys are a little bit clicky. It is a wired keyboard that includes a USB Type-C cable, and that makes it compatible with different gaming consoles and also your computer. As per gaming consoles, it has great connectivity so that you can have a great gaming experience with this one. It is also usable for typing on it, but still it is considered the best keyboard when it comes to gaming. And the compatibility with a PC, this keyboard is a great one when it comes to office work too. The keyboard is a very strong one, and it has great build quality so that it is durable for a long time, and you definitely won't need any other gaming for typing keyboard. This one totally lasts for a long period of time and you won't be disappointed at all. As we came at the end of this video, I would like to know from you guys which one became your favorite and if you own any of them. If you have any questions, just write them down in the comment section down below and I will gladly respond to you. Don't forget to check out the links though. Thank you for being with me here again. I hope to see you very soon. And until then, please stay safe and peace out.